Buying and selling currency pairs. When you are active in the Forex market, you're actually engaged in buying or selling currency pairs. Imagine that in each currency pair, the currencies are constantly at war with each other, and the market fluctuations are created exactly for this reason, that at one moment, one currency is stronger in this war, and at another moment, another currency is stronger. Major currency pairs. Major currency pairs refer to those pairs in which the US dollar is on one side of the currency pair and the currency of one of the developed countries is on the other side. These currency pairs have the highest trading volume and liquidity among all currency pairs in the Forex market. Cross-currency pairs. Cross-currency pairs are called currency pairs that do not include the US dollar. The most important crosses are those currency pairs that have the currencies of the euro, pound, or yen on one side. These include euro crosses, yen crosses, pound crosses, and other crosses. Exotic currency pairs. Exotic currency pairs are those pairs in which the US dollar is on one side and the currency of a developing country, such as Brazil, Mexico, and Hungary, is on the other side. Stay with us to review other attractions of this market in the following sections.